You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, more pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. A noun referring to all the material you used at school or for writing. British English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the UK. Stationery, stationery, stationery. In American English, in the US, it's usually pronounced as stationery. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.